Today I am showing you how to use lockpick. Go to the car dealer. Talk to him. To use lockpick you need the Silverado truck. It cost $125K. Go to the merchant with the Silverado. Buy the lockpick. Go to this location and this door. Equip your lockpick and do the simple puzzle. Fuck, NBM guys, the puzzle was simple. Now to the warehouse. Fuck. Nothing happened guys. Now just open the warehouse door, grab a thing and give it to him. Here is your money.